Okay, here we are reviewing the Chapter 2 test. Question 1. You and your best friend meet up with one more friend to go to the state fair. As a group, you decide to split the cost evenly between each of you. If each person puts in $15 towards the total cost, which equation would you use to find the total cost of what the group spent? So which equation would you use to find the total cost of what the group spent? So you have you, right? You have a friend, and you meet up with one more friend. So that means I have 3 friends. So at a glance, those two don't seem right at all, because that looks like it's trying to say 4 friends. If I divide both sides by 15 here to solve for m being how much each, what the total cost is, m is going to equal 3 over 15. That's less than 1. That doesn't make any sense because each person's putting in $15. If I solve this, I multiply both sides by 3. M equals 45, and that makes sense. 3 people putting in $15 each would be $45. So D. Number 2, evaluate the expression for the given value of the variables. Show your work. So I have 3 times the quantity, 3 times A, plus 2 times B, quantity, subtract C. So I plug in 3 times A is 3, plus 2 times 2 minus 7. So now it's an order of operations problem. I do what's inside the parentheses first. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 times 2 is 4, minus 7. Make sure I write everything. Inside the parentheses, I have 9 plus 4, which is 13. Now I do the multiplication. 3 times 13 is 39, minus 7. 39 minus 7, 32. Number 3, write each phrase as a numeric or algebraic expression, or the expression as a phrase in English. So I have a phrase here, 6 less than a number m. Well, if here's my number m, 6 less than that is 6 less than a number m. The difference of 6 and a number k. So difference is subtraction. And this time I do it in order. The difference of 6 and a number k. Here I have the difference of k and a number 6, so difference subtraction. So the difference of a number k and 6. Number 4, determine if the given value is a solution to the equation. Clearly show your work. State your answer. For example, yes, x equals 13 is a solution. Okay, so I have to say yes, it is, or no, it isn't, because those are my only options. So I have 5 times x is 7, so 5 times 7 plus 8. Does that equal 44? So 5 times 7 is 35, plus 8, does that equal 44? 35 plus 8 is 43. 43 does not equal 44. So no, x equals 7 is not a solution. Number 5, you have traveled 270 miles over the course of 9 hours. Assuming you maintain the same speed the entire trip, or the entire time, what is your speed? So I have 270 miles. To find out my speed, I have to divide my distance, my miles, divided by my time, 9 hours. So 270 divided by 9 is 27 divided by 9, which is 3 with the zeros, 30 miles an hour. Not 30 days, 30 miles per hour. Number 6, showing work on equation solving. Clearly show what is happening to both sides of the equation. 1 point for work done to both sides. That connects the solution to the equation. 1 point for the correct solution. 1 point for a complete check. Solve the equation, check your solution. M plus 13 equals 47, so I'm adding 13. To undo the inverse of adding at 13 is subtracting 13 from both sides. Suppose I could do my wall of math. These will cancel, and I have n equals 34. Here's my solution. So here's my work. Here's my solution. Now I just have to check. Does 34 plus 13 equal 47? Well, yes, it does. 47 equals 47. So that checks. Number 7. So I'm multiplying the variable by 9. The inverse of multiplying by 9 is dividing by 9. So there's my work. 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 1 times x. 63 divided by 9 is 7. So there's my solution. Let's check. Is 63 equal to 9 times 7? I'm plugging in, right? 63 equals 7 times 9 is 63. It checks. Number 8. 11 equals w divided by 12. Well, if I want to undo divided by 12, the inverse of dividing by 12 is multiplying by 12. So I multiply both sides by 12. There's my work. On the left side, 12 times 11 is 132. The 12s will cancel. There's my solution. Now I have to plug it back in. Is 11 equal to 132 divided by 12? Nothing to do on the left side. 132 divided by 12 is 11. So it checks. Number 9. You enjoy a meal at your favorite fast food restaurant. On this trip, you have a coupon for $3 off your bill. The cost of the meal using the coupon is $14. Let X represent the amount you pay in cash. Write an equation to determine the amount you paid using your coupon. Solve your equation. So there's the amount I pay plus my coupon, right? Because I put my coupon and what I pay together, and that's my total. So in this case, the amount I pay, that's X, right? The amount I pay, plus my coupon is $3. That's going to equal the total, $14. So there's my equation, right? There's an equation. Now I solve it. Subtract 3 from both sides. And X, that's the amount I pay, is 11, so I pay $11. Okay, one more. Which expression does not equal 24? Circle 1. So if I plug in here, is 3 times 10 minus 6, that's 30 minus 6, that equals 24. Here if I plug in, I have 3 times 7 plus 3, that equals 21 plus 3. Well, 21 plus 3 is 24. This here I have 3, plug in for b, is times 10, divided by 2 plus 9. That leaves what? 3 times 10 is 30, divided by 2 plus 9. Well, 30 divided by 2 is half of 30, is 15 plus 9. That equals 24. Oh, that's okay. Last one. 4 times 5 plus 5, that leaves me 20 plus 5. Oh, 20 plus 5 is 25. Yeah, so D does not equal 25.